What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video on the BMW M235. We're back in business. Let's go. I know you've all been waiting. Today I'm picking up a new air intake for the car, so we should get some more engine noise, which is really what this car is lacking. It sounds good from the back, it sounds good from the outside as well, but it'd be really good to get some more engine noise, some more turbo noise as well. So yeah, let's get into it. No messing, straight in. How hard could it be? We'll see about that. Right then, so I'm just letting the car cool down. Got my tools, I've got a screwdriver, I think that's all I need. So yeah, let's head outside and then get to work. Hold tight, me. There it is. It's the new one. Check this right here, open up the bonnet. Right, so from what I can see, it's a pretty easy job. Just undo those screws there, unplug that, pull that off, unscrew this, and then, yeah, we should be good to go. So, let's get a move on. I think I'm gonna start by here. So yeah, let's go. Okay, it's got a new set of tools, and they're really thin. There we go. So that's a T20, running underneath now. Jesus Christ, I can't get it out. Check this out. Yeah, it's literally just 2 screws. Get that in there. I've been told I need to keep these screws, just in case those ones don't fit, but we should be all good. Let's not drop this one. Ooh. There we go. Put that up there. And that's it. 3. Well, that one just gets loosened. Those 2 get taken out. So let's give it a tug. That's what she said. Ooh, yep, there you go. I think that's the O2 sensor, I think. I'm probably wrong. Let me just squeeze this, and then it should come out. Yeah, Jesus Christ. It's not easy. Hold on, let me put the camera down, use 2 hands.
1 hour later.
Got it. Nice, that's that. 1, 2. You just gotta undo these clips, I guess. 1, 2, 3, and then how do I get that off? There we go. Oh, done. Why is that still on? I missed a clip. Under there, shit. That's so hot. There we go. Right. Off. There you go. Keep that later. Take this out. It's just a stock air filter. Pull. This pull. There we go. And that's what you're left with. A big hole. So, let's get this new one in then. I hope to God this fits and works. Just dropped the screw. Okay, so I've got everything on, everything's secured, this is tight, got these on. I dropped a screw, but I used one of the old screws. That's probably why they said not to throw the screws away. The one thing which I can't understand is there's like a little mount under there. I'm not sure if you can see it. That thing's hanging, this. Like, that's a mount to keep it steady from not going like this. Zoom right out. See, this is a bit loose. So yeah, I'll run it to my mate's place and see what to do about that. Yeah, a bit of an odd one. But yeah, forget all that, let's see how it sounds. Whew. Okay, so that's safe to say that you can hear the turbo noise way more. Wonder how it's going to affect the performance, if anything. Oh, I'm quite gassed. Maybe just go and get someone else to film, and then yeah, we'll see what it sounds like. Oh shit, this is so cool. Yeah, let's go, let's go. Okay, so my dad's jumping in now. Give it a few revs so we can get a better angle. It's so much louder. Okay, I take it back. I thought he wasn't going to do it properly, but he fully went in. That's absolutely ridiculous. That's so much louder. Oh man. No, that's alright, I'm going to take it for a spin now. I gotta see if it makes a difference. Alright, okay, let's jump in. This is amazing. I have no idea if where I've got the camera is safe, but I don't care. Right, in a minute we'll be going down Canton, which is like, for those of you that don't know, it's like a mile stretch of road. And there's people on it, but you know, we're careful, we drive properly out here. Just want to hear the noise. Alright, let's go. Oh shit, that was quick. Oh god, I love this car. This car's so much fun. One hand on the wheel as well. So I really don't want this camera to hit me in the face. Oh, speed bump, hold on. Okay, we're gonna go again. Oh my god, man. It sounds so much nicer. Alright, let's put it manual. Like, there's literally not enough room. Like, we're doing like 20 to 60 in like the space of 100 yards. This car is just so quick. It's frightening. Guys, the turbo noise that we're getting, the whistle. Oh my god. This is amazing. This is much more of a driver experience. Like, the noise is so much more like captivating. Oh my god. I'm loving it. Why didn't I do this earlier? This is nuts. Oh, for those of you that are asking, it's a BMS intake. I don't know what the hell that means. If it's good, bad. I don't really care, but the noise is absolutely ridiculous. Like, I know you guys can't hear it enough, like you need to hear it in person, but it is absolutely insane. I'm trying to get some of this noise for you. Fuck out. Right, hopefully you can hear this. Oh my god, I hope this picks up on the microphone, man. Oh, talk about fun. Shit. Oh my god. So good. Right, put it. Knock it over there. Put it in neutral. Yeah, man. Different animal, different business. This is amazing. Okay, so that wraps up another video. That was a lot of fun, and I will not be missing that one at all. That is, yeah, so good. If you got any tips, tricks, maybe how to put that mount in properly, drop them in the comments box as always. Hit the like button, subscribe, all that stuff. New videos coming soon. You know, I'm back on it now. I'm back on it. Let's go.